Look at this completely homemade processor. Look at that. Completely fabricated boom. 100%. Everything's fabricated. The rollers are fabricated. This will be cutting it to length. I bet it's sitting on a school bus chassis. Look at that. 100% hand built. Very cool. It's a stud processor, for sure. So there's your gang ripsaws. A stud machine. What's this thing powered with? Detroit. Massive turbocharger on it. I'm gonna have to talk to Brad about these. This is very cool. I wonder if he built it or if he bought it and built. Yeah. There's the main rips, and then the resaw. So stuff, trees get dropped onto here. They get fed through here. This cuts it to length, 8 foot. They then roll down onto this. They come back through here, right? Takes them back down through there. And either they go on and off, say they're cutting 2x6s or whatever, or a man stands here, pulls them, lays them flat, and then they go through the gang saw here to turn them into 2x4s or 1x4s or whatever they got the gang saw set up for. Way cool. Look at that big air tank up there. All hand built. Everything, see they join it. I don't know if it's any good or not, but I do love it. I do love it when people know how to make things.